Hi all, I am G. Pavni from Welfare Institute of Science, Technology and Management. Today I am going to explain about the project Home Automation using Arduino Uno with Bluetooth. And the requirements we need for this project are Arduino Uno microcontroller, Bluetooth module, relay module, breadboard, male to male and male to female connectors and bulb. Now coming to the connections part, we have three modules. Bluetooth module is having 4 pins: VCC, ground, transmitter and receiver. The VCC of Bluetooth module is connected to the VCC of Arduino Uno and ground of Bluetooth module is connected to the ground of Arduino Uno. And relay module is having 3 pins: VCC, ground and input pin. The VCC of relay module is connected to the VCC of Arduino and ground of relay is connected to the ground of Arduino, and the input pin of relay is connected to the 13th pin of the Arduino because we are taking the output of Arduino as input to the relay. And now uploading the code into the board, we have to connect the transmission and receiving pins. The transmission pin of Bluetooth module is connected to the receiving pin of the Arduino and the receiving pin of the Bluetooth is connected to the transmitting pin of the Arduino. And after all the setup, it will be like this. Now coming to the coding part, initially we are taking a variable data and assign value 0 to it. It shows that initially the light will be in off mode. Then coming to the setup function, serial.begin is a method. It sets the data rate in bits per second for serial data transmission. And coming to this, pin mode is another method. It takes 2 arguments and it sets the 13th pin of Arduino Uno as output. And then coming to the loop function, this if condition is executes when only the any data coming from your smartphone to the serial monitor. And then serial.read is another function. It reads the data coming from your smartphone and assigns that value to the data variable. Then prints the data in the data variable. If the data equals to 1, it means if the data is 1 coming from your smartphone, then the LED will be on. And if the data equals to 0, then the LED will be in off mode. In order to communicate with the device, we have to install one software in the smartphone, and the app is Bluetooth Terminal HC05. By using this app, we are connecting the device to the system. See, it is installing. After installation of the app, it asks to turn on the Bluetooth. Click on yes, and then we have to scan for pairing the devices. It is scanning. For pairing, it asks the pin, and the default pin is 1, 2, 3, 4 for pairing the devices. After that, click on HC05. After clicking HC05, and the device is connected and terminal is like this. You have observed that when we are giving 1, the light is on, and when we are giving 0, the light will be off.